Hey guys, it's Ashlyn and Chloe today, and she's our special guest. We're gonna be making slime with metallic pigments
with white glue. So actually, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Our glue in. So
yeah.
And so the next thing we're gonna add in is our metallic pigments. Wait, should we use shaving cream?
Yeah.
Okay. So a little bit of shaving cream. Pour in it. It's just not coming out. No joke.
That's enough.
Look.
Here's mine, you guys.
Oh. That's a lot. That's going to be really fluffy.
I know.
I'm not having mine that fluffy.
So, you guys, I'm mixing mine right now. It's really pretty and fluffy. My slime's going to look really big, but it's only half of it is like shaving cream.
Well, like 3/4 of a quarter.
And if this gets like shaving cream on my hands, then Ashlyn, I'm sorry, but I'm adding in more glue. It's like when it gets shaving cream on your hands because you added in too much.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you guys, we're going to pick our pigments and we'll see you then.
Just raw them, but, you know.
And this is called Violet Brass, and it's a...
We added in after, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
You're lucky that lid was on.
No, don't show this. So we'll see you guys back
when this is activated. And it's on the table, and we're playing with it. So yeah.
If you guys use borax, it's really bad. But
I use borax and magic liquid, but
yeah, I use magical liquid.
I got my magic liquid at Michael's.
Yeah, because like they have it in Elmer's glue packs. You can also use Tide if you want to. Any detergent except for like some
like OxyClean, that's really bad for you, and it melts the slime.
But we'll see you back when we have our Tide done. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so we added in our lotion. It's so pretty. So now we are going to add in our pigments. So we are going to videotape this over above. So first Ashlyn is going to be going, and then I will go.
So we'll see you guys there. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you guys, now it's my turn.
Yep.
Guys, this is the finished product. It's really nice, and mine turned brown because I added in yellow to make it more shiny.
And mine turned out like a really pretty pink. I'd call this like strawberry.
It's so pretty though. Her upstairs one and her window is so much more shiny because she added in like 25 pigments. So guys, yeah, that's all we have for today, and see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Like the Titanic, eyes blue, like the Atlantic, and I'm going down.